Hi there. This is Alea Leyland, your host, and I'm finally home. I'm back on the Big Island. If you peruse the site, you will see that I actually had my friend David pick up a couple of shots from the Made in Hawaii Festival. Oh my God, 35,000 people go to that festival in the 3 days that it's there. The Pacific Crafters Guild is the ones who put it on, and everything in the place is made in Hawaii. Every single piece of stuff that is in the Bladesdale Center is made in Hawaii. Absolutely amazing. You can barely walk down the aisles. There are so many people there with their things that they made. They're selling, they're sharing, their businesses that are Hawaii themed and whatnot. And oh my God, the food! Oh, there was so much food. And everyone was sampling. There was so much fresh produce. So if you are coming on vacation and you are going to be in Oahu anytime, try to make it August. Because from what I understand, the Made in Hawaii Festival is usually in August. And you will be so thrilled. This past year, it was the second weekend in August. And oh, so much food, so much food, so many beautiful crafts. It was wonderful. So here you will see many of the artists that were there. Check our featured artist page because people come from all over the Hawaiian Islands just to have their things in this festival. So if you want to get a whole bunch of artists all in one place, this is a place to do it. So check the pages, find out who was there, and then take your time and call them, go to their websites, see where else they're going to be during the year, and get some of their stuff. The Made in Hawaii artists are the best. Ahui ho.